The 2025 Volvo P1800 is a car that has captured the imagination of enthusiasts and collectors for decades. Its timeless design, combined with Swedish engineering, made it an icon of its era. Introduced in 1961, the P1800 was Volvo's answer to the growing demand for stylish, sporty coupes. It represented a departure from the company's focus on practicality and safety, showcasing Volvo's ability to produce a car that was both functional and desirable. The car's sleek lines, influenced by Italian design, set it apart from other models of the time. The chrome accents, unique grille, and elegant curves contributed to a design that remains celebrated to this day. Under the hood, the Volvo P1800 was equipped with a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine, producing a respectable 100 horsepower. While it wasn't the fastest car on the road, it offered a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Over the years, the P1800 underwent several updates, including the introduction of the more powerful 2.0-liter B20 engine in 1968. These enhancements ensured that the car kept pace with its competitors while maintaining the dependability Volvo was known for. The P1800 wasn't just a pretty face, it was built to last, as demonstrated by the famous Irv Gordon, who drove his P1800 over 3 million miles, setting a Guinness World Record. One of the most iconic associations with the Volvo P1800 came through its appearance in the television series The Saint, starring Roger Moore. The car became an integral part of Simon Templar's suave and adventurous persona, cementing its status as a symbol of style and sophistication. This pop culture connection helped boost the car's popularity, making it a sought-after model during its production years and a cherished collector's item today. In 1971, Volvo introduced the P1800 ES, a shooting brake version of the car. This new design featured a distinctive glass tailgate, offering increased practicality without sacrificing the car's sporty aesthetic. The P1800 ES was ahead of its time, combining the functionality of a station wagon with the elegance of a coupe. This unique model gained a dedicated following and remains one of the most interesting iterations of the P1800 lineage. Production of the P1800 series continued until 1973, with a total of nearly 47,500 units built. Its relatively limited production numbers have made it even more desirable among collectors. In recent years, the Volvo P1800 has experienced a resurgence in popularity. Restorations and custom builds have brought new life to these classic cars, with enthusiasts embracing both original and modified versions. Some modern interpretations have included upgraded engines, advanced suspension systems, and even electric conversions, blending the car's classic design with contemporary technology. Despite its age, the P1800 continues to inspire admiration and innovation, proving that great design truly stands the test of time. The P1800's legacy extends beyond its visual appeal and performance. It represents a pivotal moment in Volvo's history, where the company demonstrated its ability to create a car that was not only safe and reliable but also aspirational. The P1800 paved the way for future Volvo models that combined practicality with elegance, influencing the brand's identity for generations. Whether seen at classic car shows, on the silver screen, or cruising down the highway, the Volvo P1800 remains a symbol of enduring style and quality. As interest in classic cars continues to grow, the Volvo P1800's value and significance show no signs of fading. It stands as a testament to an era when cars were not only a means of transportation but also an expression of art and personality. The P1800's story is one of innovation, perseverance, and timeless design, a story that continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts around the world.